Benny? Benny? Oh, yeah. There's a bird up there again. That's what Benny's looking at. You and that bird, Benny, huh? You're smart. Yeah, there's the bird's actually here now, but there's a bird's nest. Oh, there he went. There's a bird's nest right above our door. Benny, Benny's very interested. Yeah, the birdie left, huh, Benny? You were watching the birdie. No, oh, no. Well, no, hey. That's okay. You can jump up. I didn't know. I thought you were going to attack me. Okay. That's it for today, Benny. Oh, okay. All right. Good boy.